Ready to take your home from ordinary to extraordinary? These ultra-luxury Amazon gadgets bring elegance, innovation, and pure convenience to every corner of your space. From sleek kitchen upgrades to smart home must-haves, each one adds that high-end touch you didn't know you needed. All the products are linked in the description below. Why be stuck at a desk when your screen can follow you anywhere? This portable touch monitor has a built-in battery, so you can work, play, or stream without hunting for outlets. Roll it from room to room on 5 smooth wheels and swivel the screen to portrait or landscape with ease. You can mirror your phone, tablet, or laptop wirelessly with a simple tap, and AirPlay 2 lets you stream directly from Apple devices. Meet the sink that redefines what a kitchen can do. Made from high-grade stainless steel with nanotech coating, it shrugs off rust, scratches, and stains. Just wipe it clean and it shines like new. Dual sliding tracks turn it into a full workstation, letting you chop, rinse, and dry all in one spot without losing counter space. The smart LED display shows real-time water temperature, while the pull-out faucet gives you 5 spray modes, 2 waterfalls, and even a built-in cup washer for effortless cleaning. Why settle for an ordinary faucet when you can have one that moves like magic? This sleek matte black faucet rotates a full 1080 degrees, letting you aim the water exactly where you need it. No more bending or splashing. It's got 2 water modes, a soft stream for gentle washing, and a powerful spray for quick rinses. The single handle makes temperature control effortless. Durable, modern, and ridiculously easy to install. You'll wonder how you lived without it. Mornings just got smarter. This digital toaster brings cafe-level precision right to your kitchen counter. The touchscreen lets you pick your perfect shade of golden crispness with a simple tap. No guessing needed. Whether it's bread, bagels, or waffles, smart sensors adjust heat and time automatically for flawless results. Each side works independently, so everyone gets their toast just the way they like it. Sleek, fast, and ridiculously easy to clean. Tired of streaky windows and endless scrubbing? This portable window cleaning robot handles it all for you. It sprays, scrubs, and wipes with triple nozzles while intelligently planning its path to cover every corner efficiently. You can use it on a battery for balconies or plug it in for continuous cleaning inside. With 12 layers of safety protection and 5 cleaning modes, your windows get spotless without you lifting a finger. Turn your daily shower into a spa experience. This all-metal rain shower system surrounds you with a gentle 16-inch waterfall that feels like natural rain. The solid brass valve keeps water pressure balanced, protecting you from sudden hot or cold surprises. Its brushed nickel finish resists fingerprints and stays gleaming even in humid bathrooms. Durable, elegant, and built to last, it's luxury you'll feel every morning. Messy hands? No problem. This touchless paper towel dispenser lets you grab a sheet without ever touching the roll. Just wave your hand, and it dispenses the perfect amount, keeping everything clean and dry. Smart sensors retract any unused sheets, so your towels stay fresh. It works with most standard rolls and can run on batteries or a plug, making it perfect for busy kitchens or messy projects. This isn't just a coffee table, it's the centerpiece of your living room's future. Hidden inside are refrigerated drawers to keep your snacks and drinks perfectly chilled, ready for movie nights or game days. Built-in Bluetooth speakers fill the room with rich sound, while soft RGB lights set the perfect vibe. You can even charge your phone wirelessly right on the surface. Stylish, smart, and effortlessly cool, this table does it all. Bring the cozy glow of a fireplace to any room without the heat. This flame effect aroma diffuser releases a gentle mist while flickering with 7 mesmerizing colors. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil, and your space instantly feels calm and refreshed. It runs whisper quiet for up to 8 hours, then shuts off automatically when the water runs low. Perfect for bedtime, yoga, or simply unwinding after a long day. Who needs harsh chemicals when you've got the power of steam? This multi-purpose cleaner heats up in just 40 seconds and blasts away grime with over 200 degrees of pure steam. It sanitizes floors, grout, tiles, windows, and even kitchen appliances. No scrubbing required. The flexible nozzle reaches tight corners and under furniture with ease. Powerful, fast, and eco-friendly, it leaves every surface spotless and fresh. Tired of juggling multiple drink bottles in the fridge? This rotating beverage dispenser keeps everything organized and ready to pour. With 4 separate sections, you can store juice, iced tea, milk, or lemonade all in one container. Just press the spigot for an instant refill, no lifting or spilling. It fits neatly on refrigerator shelves and spins 360 degrees for easy access. Lightweight, durable, and perfect for daily use or parties. Your wall just got a major upgrade. This handcrafted wooden coat rack doubles as modern art and smart storage in one. Each hook flips up when not in use, keeping the design sleek and clutter-free. Hidden magnets make every movement feel smooth, while the solid walnut finish adds warmth and texture to your entryway. It's the kind of piece that makes organization look effortless and beautiful. Here's cleaning made smart and simple. This palm-sized dish brush holds soap inside and dispenses it with a quick press. No extra bottles or mess. The soft silicone top fits comfortably in your hand, while the tough bristles scrub away grease and residue with ease. Once you're done, it sits neatly on its draining stand, ready for next use. Compact, hygienic, and surprisingly satisfying to use. Turn your backyard into a glowing pathway of light. These solar deck lights charge by day and automatically glow at dusk, casting a soft, warm light that guides every step. They're waterproof, tough, and built to handle rain or snow without fading. Easy to mount on stairs, fences, or patios, no wiring needed. You'll love how effortlessly they add both safety and charm to your outdoor space. Say goodbye to scooping forever. This self-cleaning litter box automatically separates waste into a sealed, odor-proof compartment, keeping your home fresh. A wide 12-inch entry makes it comfortable for cats of all sizes, while smart sensors stop cleaning instantly if your pet is nearby. You can even control it from an app, set schedules, and get maintenance alerts. Your mornings just got a serious upgrade. This super automatic espresso machine makes every cup exactly how you like it, from rich espresso to frothy cappuccinos with any type of milk. Scan coffee, QR codes to unlock barista-approved settings and enjoy expert-level brews at home. The app remembers your favorites, and you can even schedule it to wake and brew automatically. Elevate your cooking to restaurant-level precision. This Sous Vide machine gently circulates water to cook food evenly, while keeping all the flavor and nutrients locked in. The quiet 1,100-watt motor heats quickly, and the bright LED display makes it easy to set exact temperatures and times. Clip it to any pot, adjust with the intuitive dial, and walk away while it works its magic. Turn your walls into a colorful masterpiece. These Hexagon Light panels let you mix and match designs, creating a vibe that fits your style or gaming setup perfectly. Each panel shows multiple colors at once, so gradients and flowing effects look smooth and mesmerizing. Sync the lights to your music and watch them dance to the beat, bringing songs to life. Control everything from an app or with your voice for effortless, eye-catching decor. Upgrade your bathroom routine with style and tech. This oval LED mirror gives bright, natural light perfect for makeup, grooming, or skincare, while soft side lighting adds a modern touch. Built-in Bluetooth speakers let you enjoy music with full surround sound as you get ready or unwind. Anti-fog technology keeps your reflection clear even after hot showers, and dimmable settings let you adjust brightness and color temperature to your mood. Keep your desk clutter-free and fully powered. This pop-up outlet hides neatly when not in use and rises automatically with a simple push. It includes 4 AC outlets, 2 USB ports, an HDMI port, and even a wireless charger for compatible phones. Perfect for charging everything at once. The recessed design keeps your countertops sleek, while installation is quick and straightforward. Pop open wine effortlessly like a pro. This automatic corkscrew starts as soon as it touches the cork, pulls it out, and even ejects it when done. No buttons, no effort. The rechargeable battery handles over 30 bottles on a single charge, making it perfect for parties or quiet evenings at home. It works on all cork types and even includes a built-in foil cutter. Sleek, cordless, and fun to use. It's a must-have for any wine lover. Wake up gently, even if you're a heavy sleeper. This sunrise alarm clock gradually brightens before your set time, simulating natural sunlight so you start the day refreshed. Choose from 10 soothing sounds or white noise to drift off, with timers that fade the sound and light for peaceful sleep. The touch lamp is dimmable in 3 levels, and a built-in USB port keeps your devices charged overnight. With dual alarms and snooze options, it adapts perfectly to your sleep routine. Turn bath time into a full-body retreat. This luxury tub features 16 adjustable hydrotherapy jets powered by a strong 1.5 horsepower motor, delivering soothing massages to your back, body, and feet. The fiberglass reinforced design with stainless steel framing supports up to 900 pounds and keeps water warm for longer with double insulation. It arrives ready to plug in with a pre-installed faucet, shower head, and drain. No complex setup required. Keep your memories alive in a whole new way. This 10.1-inch digital picture frame connects to Wi-Fi, letting you instantly share photos or short videos from anywhere using the Framio app. It automatically rotates images for portrait or landscape display, and the dynamic slideshow brings still photos to life. With 32 gigabytes of storage and easy SD card support, you can keep all your favorite moments in one place. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.